The subject of today's video is my list of 10 of the best affiliate programs that pay the highest commissions. And I will also name an additional 10 of the best affiliate programs to promote. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Imagine that all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Sounds good? Then welcome to affiliate marketing. According to the Wall Street Journal, business spending on affiliate marketing will hit $8.2 billion in the U.S. by 2022. That's billion with a B. Start today, and you'll be in a prime position to take advantage of that. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service in return for a commission on the sales you generate from your promotions, such as running ads on Google Ads. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale you generate. Commissions, but it also occasionally can be a fixed amount. The best affiliate programs have a recurring back-end commissions that keep paying you month after month. My number one pick is HubSpot. That's HubSpot. HubSpot. Commission is 15% recurring or 100% of the first month's revenue. Cookie life is 90 days. HubSpot's mission is to help millions of organizations grow better. HubSpot's award-winning CRM platform, which comprises of Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Services Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub, and a powerful free CRM, gives thousands of companies the tools they need to manage the customer service experience, all the way from awareness to advocacy. As a HubSpot affiliate, you'll have the choice between a 15% recurring rate for up to 1 year or a flat rate corresponding to 100% of the first month's revenue. Paid plans range from $50 up to $3,000 a month, and it is not uncommon for customers to purchase more than one product at a time. So these payouts could add up quickly. When you join HubSpot's affiliate program, you gain access to an extensive creative inventory, including demo videos, banners, and copy examples, all designed to help you earn the most commission possible. Plus, you can cultivate a one-on-one relationship with the HubSpot affiliate team, whose members are all dedicated to helping you succeed. Number 2 in my 10 best list. Number 2 is Elementor. That's Elementor. Elementor. Commission is 50 cents per sale. Cookie life is 45 days. Elementor is a dynamic drag-and-drop website builder used to create 6% of all the world's websites. With hundreds of widgets, integrations, website templates, and design tools, Elementor users can customize and scale their WordPress website building process without writing a single line of code. Yet Elementor is more than simple software. It has 100,000 members in its online community, where web creators share their advice, tips, feedback, host meetups, and push each other to professional growth. Elementor affiliates earn 50% per sale. In addition, the software has 5 pricing packages ranging from $49 to $999 a year. This broad array of pricing tiers makes it easier for affiliates to market various plans to specific audiences strategically. With notable affiliates, listen to this, notable affiliates earning north of $10,000 a month in commissions. Elementor is an attractive option to consider. Third on my list is AWeber. That's AWeber. AWeber. The commission is a 30% recurring commission. The cookie life is 1 year. AWeber has been the autoresponder of choice for over 1 million businesses and entrepreneurs since 1998. In addition, it's an excellent tool for newsletter and email drip campaigns. Affiliates of AWeber can earn a substantial income through 2 different channels. Their in-house program offers a lifetime 30% commission, plans that typically range from $20 to $150 a month, so the payout can really add up. Alternatively, you can earn up to $300 per account through CJ Affiliate. However, the cookie life with this option is only 45 days rather than 1 year. Number 4 on my list of the best 10 is Sendinblue. Sendinblue. Commission is €5 when a referred user creates a free account, plus €100 if that user buys a subscription. Cookie life is 90 days. Sendinblue is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that helps businesses connect with customers via email marketing, SMS, chat, marketing automation, CRM, and more. The user-friendly tool is rapidly growing in popularity with over 175,000 users worldwide. The affiliate program has 2 different streams, one for agencies and one for bloggers. Sendinblue's free and affordable pricing plans make it a very attractive revenue opportunity for bloggers and publishers in the email marketing space. You'll get €100 every time you refer a paying customer and join a network of top affiliates like WP Beginner, Capterra, Code-In WP, Email Vendor Selection, Email Tool Tester, and many more. Note, even though the payout is in euros, the program is open to the United States, and your commission will be converted based on currency rates at the time of payment. Number 5 on my list of the best 10 is ConvertKit. ConvertKit. KIT. Commission is 30% recurring. Cookie window is 30 days. A new and uppercomer in the email marketing field, ConvertKit helps its customers grow their customer base via landing pages, forms, and email drip campaigns. You can learn more about ConvertKit by reading reviews online. ConvertKit's affiliate program is primarily addressed to existing ConvertKit users who feel their audience could benefit from email marketing products. The program offers a lifelong 30% commission for every referred paying customer or webinar subscriber, with plans ranging from anywhere from $29 a month all the way up to $2,000 a month. The income potential is very attractive, and it costs you absolutely nothing to join the program. Number 6 on my list of the 10 best is Lead Pages. Lead Pages. Commission is 30% recurring. Cookie life is 30 days. Lead Pages is an online tool that lets you create easy to customize landing pages to collect contact information and boost your conversion rates. You can learn more about Lead Pages by reading reviews online. Their affiliate program is only open to Lead Pages customers. Each paying customer referred brings in a lifetime commission of 30%. Membership prices can range from $25 to $200 a month. Lead Pages will sometimes run special offers, such as a $5,000 bonus for affiliates who drive in 10 plus sales by a given date. In addition, all affiliates get access to banners, sidebar images, and social media friendly links. You also have the option to share a unique link to a free content page like a blog post or video rather than a product page. Number 7 on my list is Getresponse. That's Getresponse. Commission is 33% recurring. Cookie length is 120 days. Along with email marketing, Getresponse offers landing pages, opt-in forms, webinar hosting, a CRM tool, and many other marketing automation tools. You can learn more about Getresponse by reading online reviews. Just like AWeber, Getresponse has 2 affiliate programs you can choose from, or you can join both. Their self-hosted program offers a 30% recurring commission with plans ranging from $15 to $1,200 a month. The payout can be pretty substantial. You can also earn $135 for every sale referred through CJ Affiliate. However, the cookie life is only 30 days rather than 120 offered in the in-house program. Number 8 on my list is SEMrush. That's SEM Rush. SEMrush. Commission is 40% recurring. Cookie life is 10 years. That's almost unheard of. 10-year cookie life. BRush is an affiliate program for SEMrush, an SaaS company that specializes in SEO and competitive analysis tools for digital marketers. Their affiliate program offers a 40% recurring commission over the lifetime of a referral subscription, which translates up to $160 a month per referral. Plus, they offer a very generous 10-year cookie life. Plus, since BRush functions under a first cookie attribution model, if a referral were to cancel their subscription and then later sign up again in the future within 10 years, you'll get commission on that second subscription. Exclusive SEMrush promotional material is available in 5 different languages, and applicants are automatically pre-approved, so the sign-up process is only a few minutes, enabling you to get started right away. Number 9 on my list is Fiverr. That's Fiverr. 5 with 2 R's, Fiverr. Commission is $15 to $50 for Fiverr CPA, $10 for CPA plus 10% rev share for Fiverr Hybrid, or 30% for every Fiverr Learn course order. The cookie life is 30 days. Fiverr has a few products you might promote on your own website or blog, including Fiverr, the freelance market with digital services for everything from marketing to tech. Fiverr Pro, access to hand-vetted talent trusted by major brands. And Fiverr Learn, courses for freelancers and businesses looking to expand skills. If you work with clients who might need to hire a freelancer for marketing, design, or tech skills, or write you a blog for entrepreneurs that you want to promote, Fiverr Learn. You might want to consider partnering with Fiverr. With over 5.5 million users, the popular site offers affiliates a dashboard to manage and monitor campaigns and creative assets to help you promote your services. Of course, commission rates vary depending on the service you want to promote. Take a look at their complete offerings online. My 10th choice is Pably. That's Pably with 2 B's. Pably. Commission 30% recurring, cookie life 30 days. Pably is an online platform that offers multiple marketing and business management tools for email marketing, form building, subscription billing, email verification, workflow automation, and app integration. The most popular package is Pably Plus, a cost-effective bundle of all Pably applications which offers unlimited features. Unique features of their affiliate program. You can promote all or any of their products to get a 30% commission within 40 days of the sale. They track sales in all their products using a single cookie, so whatever product you promote, you'll get a commission on the sale of all the products purchased through your affiliate link. Also, this will save you from referring each product separately to your audience. The single sale of Pably products can provide you a minimum commission of $183. Additionally, they provide a single dashboard for monitoring sales, allowing you to view all your commission-related details like sales, referrals, payouts, etc. in a single place. Now, my next 10 affiliate marketing programs are number 11, Unbounce. That's Unbounce. It's a popular landing platform. Number 12 is Constant Contact. I'm sure you've heard of Constant Contact. You've gotten emails from them. Constant Contact offers powerful email marketing tools for small businesses. Number 13 is Volution. Volution. That's Volusion. Volution with a V as in victory. Volution is an e-commerce platform, e-commerce solution that enables small businesses to create, manage, and expand their online store. Number 14 is Thinkific. That's Think and Ific. Thinkific. Thinkific. The Thinkific is a powerful all-in-one platform that makes it easy to share your knowledge, grow your audience, and scale the business that you want to promote. Number 15 on the list is Kajabi. That's Kajabi with a K. Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that lets users create online courses, launch marketing campaigns, build landing pages, and design the perfect website. Number 16 is Coursera. It's Coursera. Course, course, and then R-A, Coursera. Coursera offers over 1,000 courses and specializes in ranging anywhere from digital marketing to applied data science and personal development. Each system consists of pre-recorded videos. Number 17 is Teachable. Teachable. Teachable helps you create and sell beautiful online courses with over 18 million students and 186,000 active courses. Number 18 is BigCommerce. You probably heard of BigCommerce. Founded in 2009, BigCommerce is an online store builder that powers thousands of e-commerce stores. Number 19, I'm sure you've heard of this too, is Shopify. Shopify. With over 500,000 Shopify stores worldwide, Shopify has indeed proven itself as a market leader in the drop shipping industry. Number 20, my final choice is 3D Cart. That's the digit 3, D, and then Cart. 3D Cart. 3D Cart is an e-commerce platform with a high focus on SEO. It provides you with all the tools you need to build, promote, and grow your online store. Okay, that's my top 10, followed by my runner-ups, my 10 runner-ups. And I hope you enjoyed that list that I just gave you. I just want to let you know that I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the click-to, $1 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. To get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my video marketing diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe link below, the button below. This is Don Novak. I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued online success.